Hey y'all, it cut off on me, so I had to open it right back up. Okay, so I was telling you about Park Avenue Princess when we were so rudely interrupted by the camera. And I do love this. I really do love this. I wonder though, God, I love the smell. It smells like, I know what it is. It's not a swimming pool. You know how when you were a little kid and you played outside and you would turn the hose on because it was hot and you would drink some water out of the hose? That's what it smells like, that water. I wonder what the hose is treated with. Metal? Chemicals? I love this. Anyway, so that's one thing. The other thing that I wear with the Amazonian clay, which is, again, this is Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. What I wear with that is, and y'all may remember this from a haul I did who knows how long ago. This is from Chantecaille, and it is Cheek Shade Joy Wild Horse. And she always has a cause associated with her products that when you give, a certain percentage goes to that cause and it raises awareness for that cause. And I don't know if you're really going to be able to see this. I'm trying to see if how much this is really going to show. I don't know. I'm trying to keep it where the mirror doesn't flash you as well. Oops. Let me do it like that. Can you see the horse? Maybe if I hold it really close and let it focus. Can you see the horse imprint? It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's so hard to show you with the little mirror because it'll trip up the camera. But it's a really pretty, the name again is Joy. That's the name of it. And I have it on today. It doesn't actually look like I put very much on. I'm going to put just a tad more. It's very highly pigmented blush, so you don't need a lot. I'm just going to kind of put it right back in here. A little bit on the bridge of my nose and on the bulbous part of my chin and right in the front forehead area because I got the bronzer in the back area. And it just gives you, between the bronzer and this color, a real sunny look. Just, you know, just a warm look. I like it. I think my husband's going to think I'm cute when he gets home. I hope so. He's so cute. I love Lance. I'm going to have another bite of my candy because, you know, it's just going to go bad if I don't. But this is the Reese's Peanut Butter Pumpkins. I showed it in my video earlier. And I'm just going to go ahead and, you know what? Why not just wait? I'm not going to waste it. I'm just going to pop the whole thing. Pop the whole thing. Okay. So I'm also was going to do two hauls. One from Talbot's. Yeah. And one that I got in the mail from Sigma Beauty. I'm a huge fan of Sigma Beauty. I don't know why in the world I did not. Let me see how much time we have. Okay, we've got a good amount of time, but I got to be careful to not use it all. I don't know why I didn't get in their affiliate program when I could, because I don't think you can now. I think you have to be a pretty big time YouTuber, like people who have the thousands. Cherie McGinnis, you have a couple of thousand, I believe, or more. I think you're up to 3,000 something. I do think they look at that on who they're going to sponsor, and there's all kinds of stuff that when you tell somebody about their brushes or tell somebody about their makeup, they'll give you a code, but I think also you get a kickback. Do it, girl. It's an associate program. I should go check it out. I would love to get my subscription up just for that reason. But anyway, so I got the Sigma. This is what I got in the package today. Or when was it? Yesterday? And I've been waiting to open it. There's a big thing in there. Okay, so I got the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. Beth, why? You don't contour that much. Why would you do this? For one thing, look at that beautiful packaging. The colors. Why? Because, why did I do this? Because you can sculpt, but also look at those perfect colors for your eyes. So I'm going to do a tutorial using this palette for both doing sculpting and, you know, bronzing the face, doing contour, but also there's your highlighter for the face, but that can double for under the brow, the inner corner, and the lid on your eye. And look at these browns. That brown is a perfect transition color. That's a perfect crease shade. If you want to darken it up for the evening, you've got this perfect dark, much darker, and I think that could also double, because it does not have any sparkle in it, for a brow color. So you could do your face and eyes with this. Now there's no pink tone, except maybe this Poppin'. That Poppin' could be your blush. So I shouldn't say there's no pink tone, it's brown pink. It does have shimmer to it. So you actually could use it on your eyes too. I just think this is a fantastic palette that when you like go on a vacation to the beach or the mountains or wherever you want to go, this could be your whole palette, not all you take. You don't have to take all the blushes, all the contour, all the this and that. Just take one palette. And it does make it easier. It does. Okay, so that's that. And then they sent me this free. This is their brush shampoo. I do like this. I tried their brush shampoo. I still feel like It Cosmetics Brush Bath is the best of all, but I do like Sigma's. They also sent a picture of their brushes, and they are second to none. Y'all know, look at this. One day I'm going to show you all the brushes I have. I don't even know if I can find them all because there's so many in packs. I'll do that. Comment below if you'd like to see all the brushes I have. But the ones that I use the most, these are all Sigma. I take that back. There's some It Cosmetics ones in here too. I do like It Cosmetics brushes. But most of my brushes are Sigma. I have even reordered the same ones again, because they went from gold to not having gold, but now they've got the copper. So I don't like the silvers, the black silver. I like the black copper or black gold. So I redid my whole set in the copper just because I wanted that color metal. She's crazy. That's what I would say. All right, let's see what else did I get. Oh, this is so cool. Did I get this as a giveaway? I don't know. I wanted the brush, but I don't really use the sponge that much, and I already have a Sigma. Would y'all like me to use this as a part of a giveaway? Would you mind if I kept the brush, but I gave you the rest? Is that selfish? It kind of is, isn't it? Oh, this is so pretty. It's pink. Oh man, that is a really good brush. I'm not going to touch it just in case I use it as a giveaway. Because see, it's good for putting the makeup on, and then also see the little point? It's good for getting in the nooks and crannies. I kind of want this, y'all. What else came with it? Oh, I have one of these. I have this exact same one. Now, this is the pink metallic, which I think is gorgeous. It's a brush holder. This is what you put your brushes in. So when you go on vacation and you just want to take a few brushes with you, that's what they fit in. So you could take that and this, and you would be done for your vacation. Just two things. Have your brushes and your face makeup. Of course, you need your liners and your mascara and your lipstick. But technically, you could even use that dark brown for your liners, and you could use that blush for your lipstick. Yep. Y'all, should I give this to y'all? Probably should, because this is metallic pink and that's metallic pink. Well, think about it. And, especially for those of you who like to use the sponge applicator, this is good because what it does is when you put it on, it gets the makeup back off real good. You dampen it and squeeze the water back out, and when it kind of sets your makeup on your face real well. Some people use them to put their makeup on, and then they use a clean one to take it back off. And that's what it does. It just takes off the excess, and it kind of mashes into the pores, and it makes a real smooth appearance. I gotta tell you, if I do this as a giveaway, look at the box. It got crunched. So don't get mad at me and say, okay, she gave this giveaway, but look, it's crunchy. Who wants a crunchy box? Well, then you don't have to have it. I'm just kidding. All right, my fingerprints are getting all over it, so you'll need to wipe it off. I guess that means I am willing to give this away. We'll see. We'll see. I have to think about it. I definitely would give away the sponge and the case, because I have one. But I really do like that brush. That's why I bought it. I wanted to get the brush. Okay. This box may be shot when you get it. Or maybe we won't use it that way. Maybe we'll do a combination of things. Okay. Is that everything? Have I shown you everything that I wanted to show you? How many minutes do I have? I can't see that far. Okay. 2 minutes. It's not long enough, y'all. It's just not long enough. Y'all know me. I was going to do my Talbot's haul too, but that's enough of a haul for this set. This will probably be 4 or 5 videos. Parts. Okay, so I'm going to end on that note. Comment below what you think about this. I love Sigma. It's a 3D HD kabuki brush for an airbrush look. Their brushes have 2-year warranties. I love their brushes. Maybe I'll check into the affiliate program and see if I do a giveaway of their product, will they give me a discount? We'll see. We'll see what they are willing to give me. Because those of you who've known me a long time, you know I've promoted Sigma Beauty brushes over any other brushes. It's the ones I use. It's almost exclusively the ones I use. I'm putting everything back in my little. This all goes back to my beauty counter. I'm also going to show you my bathroom. I'm so weird. Anyway. I just thought y'all might want to see what a perfect potty looks like. What do y'all think of that? You interested? I know some of you are going, she is one weird lady. Okay, so I'm going to put that in. See, this is the good thing about the Tartist. When I put this in my purse, it's just super easy because it's, again, it's everything in one. Alright, y'all. So that's everything. I could do a quick spritz of my face, but I'm not going to since the flameage is going back here. Do y'all like this little backdrop being back? Is this the cutest little sparkly pumpkin? I love it. Okay, y'all. Well, I think that's it. And it's good to see you. And give me any tips that you know of for making my little sickly nails happy again. They're not very